How to delete all watch later videos on YouTube. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and head over to the site youtube.com. It will land you on the homepage of YouTube. At the left hand side, you will find the option of watch later. Click on it. It will show you all the videos that you have added to watch later. But the first thing you should know that there is no any direct feature or the option where you can delete those videos all of them at once. So what you want to do is simply delete them one by one. Tap on this three dot right beside the video. The option of remove from watch later will be visible to you. Click on it. There you go, the video has been deleted successfully. Likewise, you need to go for the same process in order to delete the video, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can delete all the watch later videos on YouTube. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.